Good afternoon, Recon here with Techout, and today we're going to be talking about the iOS 17.2 Beta 2, or lack thereof. And we did not get a Beta 2 as expected this week. It is currently Wednesday, and the beta still has not been released. We were expecting this beta either Tuesday or Wednesday, and it did not happen. However, there have been some rumors that Apple has taken a pause on working on iOS 18 for a week to work on bug fixes and performance improvements and stuff like that to work out some of the issues we have been having with iOS 17. So I guess Apple has just kind of taken the week to stop all that stuff with iOS 18, and maybe they're going to be fixing this in the beta. Not too sure yet. Maybe they're going to be working on that this week, and that next week we'll get the beta and see that kind of stuff. A ton of bug fixes. Maybe they've got a long list of stuff they want to go through, so we'll just have to see. But as of right now, November 8th, we have not gotten the beta. Last beta we got was the week before Halloween, so we obviously weren't expecting a beta really last week. We had the Apple event, and then we had, of course, Halloween, which is a holiday. So Apple doesn't usually release beta updates on holiday weeks. So we did not get one then, and we still haven't gotten one this week. So there is a rare chance that it could come out Thursday or Friday. That has happened in the past, but it is not as likely as it is for a Tuesday or Wednesday release. So kind of an update there on them pausing the iOS 18 work for a week to work on bug fixes and implement that kind of stuff. So like I said, maybe that stuff we'll see pretty quickly here. Maybe the stuff that they're currently working on with that is something that we will see in a 17.2 beta. Maybe they're going to try to push a lot of bug fixes in 17.2 and really fix any of those lingering issues that we've still had. 17.2 beta 1 really hasn't had any issues for me too terribly bad. The only little glitch I've had so far was this one right here, where when I rotated my phone in messages, you can see the messages kind of rotated, the keyboard did not, the top kind of got all jacked up here, and then the messages window didn't fully load down here. So that's really the only issue I've had in 17.2. Really everything else has been working pretty good, but like I said, maybe we will see some of these implementations of these bug fixes that they're working on throughout the week in 17.2, especially when it comes to a public release. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.